Are you tired of compromising between fast foods and healthy eating? Do you struggle to find delicious, nutritious options that fit your lifestyle? Well, I got the perfect solution right here in Southport corridor of Lakeview, Chicago. Hello, I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your local community market leader in Lakeview, Chicago. Today, we're going to give a shout out to Sweetgreen, a place where you never have to sacrifice quality for convenience. Sweetgreen was started by 3 college students with a simple mission to create a healthier way to eat. Located in vibrant Southport corridor, right in the corner of Addison and Southport, Sweetgreen offers a plant-forward menu that's not only delicious but also 30% less carbon intensive than the average American meal. One of my favorite is the hot honey chicken, which combines blackened chicken, roasted sweet potatoes, veggie slaw, crispy onions, herb quinoa, and hot honey mustard sauce. It's a meal that's packed with 43 grams of protein and bursting with flavor. Another popular choice is the chicken avocado ranch. This was my favorite, featuring blackened chicken, avocado, pickled onions, apples, tortilla chips, white rice chopped with romaine and green good ranch with 23 grams of protein, and it's perfect to blend of the taste and nutrition. At Sweetgreen, they are not only committed to serve fresh, healthy food, but they're also making it positive to make the environmental. So they're on a mission to become carbon neutral by 2027 and are dedicated to improve farm animal welfare through the Better Chicken commitment. So now let's talk about your future. As a real estate expert, I am here to help you navigate the real estate market in Lakeview, Chicago. So if there's anything that you guys in Lakeview that are looking to find out about our community, about real estate, I am here. Give me a call at 773-550-4846, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and give it a like. Thank you.